Okay, I'm going to prove to you in just one question that you can be a brilliant public speaker. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Here's the question. Have you ever had a great conversation with a good friend? That's it. That's the question. And it's pretty much a yes or no answer. Have you ever had a great conversation with a good friend? And I'll bet your answer to that is yes. Of course it is. We all have great conversations with our friends. That's what life is all about. You know, you talk about your hopes and your dreams. You have arguments and debates. You're passionate about things. You discuss the challenges, your concerns. All of those things, of course, we all do. And the interesting and fantastic thing about that, if you think about it, is that all of the things you do naturally in a private conversation are exactly the things that you need to do with your public speaking. If you think about it, all of the same traits, the same qualities, the same skills you display are really what draw us to the best and greatest speakers. You're relaxed and confident. You know, use great eye contact. You're not looking down on the floor or looking down on notes. You're engaging the other person or your audience directly with their eyes. Of course, you're fluent and conversational as the discussion flows. And you're passionate, especially when there's something that you really believe in. You get your point across with energy. You use stories. You hear about what happened to me the other day. Oh my goodness, you're not going to believe what so-and-so did. You use stories naturally. Complex hand gestures. You don't just stand there stiff, you know, with your hands by your side doing nothing. Of course, you move them around, you wave them, you impassion, you ball your fist up to show anger, all of those things. And of course, there's animated facial expressions because you're using your face to convey an emotion and to convey a tone and to convey meaning behind the words that you use. All of those things you already do naturally in your private conversations. But here's what happens when you get faced with an audience. You freeze. You get unnatural, you get stiff, you get formal. It feels like everyone is bearing down on you and staring and examining your soul. And that makes you clam up. And instead of doing those things naturally, you become unnatural and forced. And then you start to lose your audience. And that is the problem with many people and public speaking. But it's also the key to the solution to becoming a great and confident public speaker. Work out how to take the things that you do naturally in private and do them with your public speaking. And that is what I created a course all about. It's called Nail My Speech. You'll find it at nailmyspeech.com. Go and have a look at it. I think you'll really enjoy it. And I created a short video just to kind of tease you about it. Cue the video.